One thing that I like about Gemini AI is that it is well integrated with other Google products. So in this video, I will show you on how you can create a PDF document directly on Gemini AI. Alright, first let's navigate to gemini.google.com and then you can log in with your Google account. And then here I highly recommend to select the model that you prefer. You can click on this button and then select one of these models in Gemini. Right now, when I'm recording this video, the latest version of Gemini is 2.5 Pro, but feel free to use other models because all of them do support document creation. But for this video, I'll try to use the basic model, which is the 2.0 Plus model. And after that, you can write a prompt on this chat area. And I'm going to just paste the prompt that I just created. And here, make sure to enable the canvas mode. So this is the mode that will ensure that the content that was created by Gemini will be turned into a document later. After that, you can send the message. And by the way, it is possible to upload another document to be used as a reference, but that is completely optional. Now, when you're done with all the settings, send a message and just wait for Gemini to create the document based on the prompt and also based on the document that you might have provided. So this is the result. It is still creating the document. And there are many things that you can do here. You can, for example, you can do some light editing like making the text to be bold, italic, or adding some text. And it is also possible to ask Gemini to do a modification on certain text. For example, this section is basically just a placeholder. So I will ask Gemini to just fill out the details. Fill out the details and then hit enter. Basically, that will send instruction to Gemini to make changes on that area only, while everything else will remain the same. Now, when you're done with editing and creating document on this canvas on Gemini, you can click export to docs right here. And basically, Google will transfer that document into Google Docs, which later you can edit, or if you want to do more modification, I think it's going to be a lot better than the editor in Gemini. But if you want to download this document as a PDF file, you can click the file menu, click download, and then navigate to PDF document. Feel free to use a different format, but for this video, I'll use PDF document. And there you go. So this is a PDF document that was created by Gemini or directly in Gemini AI. So go ahead, use Gemini Canvas mode to create documents and then download it as a PDF document. So if you find this video to be useful, or if you want to see more AI tutorials in the future, then feel free to subscribe to this channel. In any case, I wish you a great day ahead.